Okay, we've let this one set up so it won't slide on us. So now we're going to glue this other side on. And then we'll clamp this, and I'm going to let it set overnight so it gets a good bond on it. And then we'll be ready to work on the outside pieces, or on the neck pieces will be next. So we'll get this situated where we want it. We're okay here. Yep. Tighten that down a little bit so it doesn't slide on us. This one down a little. I'll check my alignment here. Make sure my neck pieces match. Check this one more time. That's good. So now we can tighten this down, and like I said, I'll leave it set overnight so it gets a good bond, and then we'll work on the next two pieces to put it on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.